Hey guys, what's up? It's me Sahim from SahimTech, and in this tutorial and in the next 3 tutorials I'll be showing you a total of 20 tricks. What I mean is that in this tutorial I'll be showing you 5 tricks, and in the next another 5, and in the next another 5, and in the last one I'll be showing you the last 5 tricks. So what are you waiting for? Let's dive into part 1, first 5 tricks. First trick is screenshot taking. Like you were taking a screenshot in your computer. Like for example, you were just going through any website, or you were going through any site, and you just found a piece of information like this, and you just want to take a screenshot. All you have to do is hit Windows, Shift and S, and then your screen will turn foggy. Then you can just, your mouse cursor will turn into a plus sign, and then you can just drag and select the area. Let me select this part. And then now a small window will open. All you have to do is hit copy to clipboard. And then now that image has been copied automatically. And then once we are done taking the screenshot, you can just go to Paint quickly. Now Paint will open up. Just wait. Okay, now just do Control V, and then the thing will be pasted. Just zoom out and then just select the area you want. Okay, I make that part. Then I click the menu bar, Save As. Quickly go to desktop and then type information. Hit enter. Now it's getting saved. Close it, and now that information we just took is saved. You can see that piece of information we just took has been saved. So that's cool. Now coming along, the next trick number 2, snapping windows or multitasking. Yeah, kind of. Okay, for example, let's open 2 apps. Okay, where's that thing? Yeah, Paint. We have Paint over there, and then we have Windows Explorer. Okay, now you want to do a work on Paint, and you also want to do a work in Windows Explorer. There's a cool way. Click on the first any of those windows, and then click Windows plus right or left arrow. So I click on one of the window on the top. Windows plus right arrow. Now that window has been snapped to the right. Now select the next one, and then Windows plus left arrow. Left arrow, and now Paint has been snapped to the left. So that's cool. Now I can just do my drawing over here by just going to shapes and just I can draw this thing I want here, and then quickly I can go here also, and I can just paste images, right? Paste images here. Like if I want to paste an image, I can paste the image here quickly. I can just quickly just do my work here, and I'll do it here also. And then I can just open it up here, and then it's a very cool trick you can do. You can just paste this quickly here, and I can do the work over here also. I can do the work there also, here also. That's awesome. So that's a cool way. That's a cool trick on snapping windows or maybe multitasking. It's good for people who like to watch matches on who likes to watch movies and also want to do their work. They can just do their work and then watch the movie at the same time. Coming along, the next trick number 3, quick minimizing. What? Quick minimizing? Well, the normal way we just quick minimize is we just click on that minus thingy, right? We just click on that minus thingy, which we call as minimize, and then it will get minimized. Well, instead of just touching your mouse or mice, just do Windows plus down arrow, and then again, and then it will go. So do Windows plus 1, and then you can just click on that back again. You can just maximize to, you can maximize by clicking Windows plus up arrow, and to minimize Windows plus down arrow twice. Windows 1, 2. So now that's awesome. Okay, I'm done with the quick minimize. Okay, which number was I? Oh yeah, trick number 3 completed. Trick number 4, quick renaming folder. Yes, you heard it right. For example, I want to change the name of this into a Mars research. Now the normal way we rename is select the file, right click, and then wait, and then come down, click rename, and then just type the name, right? Well, instead of that, there's a cool way you can do. Select the file, and on the keyboard click F2. Voila! Now it will be select highlighted, and you can just rename it. Let me just rename Mars Research. Enter. Done. That's cool. So done with trick number 4. Now coming along, trick number 5, quickly changing a font in MS Word. So let me just copy and paste some text. Okay, done with that complicated looking text about Mars. Okay, now if you want to change the font, for example, I want to change the font of this whole paragraph. The normal way we do is we drag and select the text, come here, click the drop down menu, then scroll down, and then I select the font, hit bold, hit italic, and just do that, all those formatting. Well, instead of that, there's a cool way to do that. Well, you asking me what that cool way is? You just select the paragraph you want. Let me just select this paragraph. Okay, so what you do is Windows Control D. Windows Control D. And then a small window will appear in front of you. And then there will be all the font settings you can just find here. So let me turn it to script empty. Then I can just make it bold italic, the size, and all type of font. You can just all type of font formatting. Change the color. I'm changing the color to red. You just change the underline style, underline color. Maybe put this as a blue color. Okay, and then I just click on OK, and then voila, our text has been changed. It has been generated into a cool, nice font. So now that's also a cool way to just change the font. So guys, we have reached the end of part 1, and in part 2 we'll be looking at the next 5, which is 6 to 10 tricks. So guys, I'll see you guys in part 2, and we'll be looking at 5 more tricks, which is continuation of the total 20 tricks, 6 to 10 tricks in part 2. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.